The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify a maximum horizontal run length for 3 wires or cord used for permanent lighting. However, it's generally recommended to limit the run length to 10 feet, which is about 3 meters, for safety and performance. There are several reasons behind this recommendation. Firstly, voltage drop. Over longer distances, the electrical resistance of the cord can cause a significant voltage drop. This voltage drop reduces the brightness of the light fixture. Secondly, heat dissipation. The cord generates heat when it carries current. Excessive heat buildup can damage the cord's insulation and create a potential fire hazard. Thirdly, mechanical strength. Long cords are more susceptible to mechanical damage, like cuts or pinches, which can expose the conductors and create a shock hazard. While the NEC doesn't explicitly state the maximum horizontal run length for 3 wires or cord for permanent lighting, Article 400.11 and Article 400.12 provide general requirements for flexible cords and cables. Article 400.11 states that flexible cords and cables should not be used as a substitute for fixed wiring. Article 400.12 states that flexible cords and cables should only be used for pendants, wiring of fixtures, appliances, and other utilization equipment, where the use of fixed wiring is impractical. These articles imply that flexible cords, such as 3-wire SO cord, should be used only for short-distance connections and not for long-term permanent installations. In summary, while not explicitly mandated, keeping SO cord run short, around 10 feet, is a best practice. This minimizes voltage drop, prevents overheating, reduces the risk of mechanical damage, and aligns with the NEC intent for flexible cord usage.